Hello students, we are doing the transformation of sentences. In the previous video, we learned how to transform the simple sentence into the compound sentence. I hope you have practiced that. Today we will learn how to transform simple sentence into the complex sentence. First, I will discuss what the complex sentence is. Complex sentence has two clauses. One is the subordinate clause, one is the main clause or the principal clause. The principal clause has the main verb and the subordinate clause depends upon the principal clause or main clause to complete its meaning. The main clause has its meaning. It is the principal clause. It has its own meaning. It can act independently. But if we talk about the subordinate clause, it cannot act independently. It needs the help of the principal clause to complete its meaning. So the conjunctions used in the complex sentence are written at this side. With the help of these conjunctions, with the help of these conjunctions, you can change the simple sentence to a complex sentence. If you want to remember these conjunctions, you should keep in mind that all the WH words, which, where, when, who, whom, whose, all these, why, all these are the conjunctions which we can use in the complex sentence. Other than that, we have conjunctions like because, if, since, as. So all these conjunctions are here. Please remember the names of these conjunctions so that you can easily change the simple sentence into the complex sentence. I have written few examples here, and with the help of these sentences we will learn it. So the first example is I told him the news. This is the simple sentence कि मैं ओनू news दिती. So if we want to make it a complex sentence, we will write I told him what the news was. I told him what the news was. It is the same meaning. Here I told him is the one clause. What the news was is the another clause. So we have joined the two clauses with the help of what? I told him what the news was. मैं उन्हें दस्या कि की news सी. So with the use of what, it has become the complex sentence. Next, he is truly a patriot. It is true that he is a patriot. He is truly a patriot. वो सच्ची ही एक देश भगत है. और when we have changed, we have used a conjunction that. It is true. ये सच है कि वो एक देश भगत है. He objected to my proposal. कि जो मैं उन्हें proposal दिता उसते उन्हें मना कर दिता. So ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ change ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਕੀ ਲਿਖਾਂਗੇ? He objected to what I proposed. To what I proposed. उन्हें ऑब्जेक्ट कर दिता जो भी मैं प्रपोजल ਉਹਦੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਰੱਖਿਆ. India is a land India is my land of birth. So India मेरी जन्म भूमि है. India is the land. India is the land where I was born. So India is the land. India ਉਹ ਧਰਤੀ ਹੈ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਜਨਮ ਹੋਇਆ. India is the land of my birth. We have changed the simple sentence by using the conjunction where, and we use conjunction where for the places. I request your help. I request that you should help me. I request your help. I'm requesting you to help me. We have changed with the help of a conjunction that. I request that you should help me. Tell the truth. Tell me what the truth is. Tell me the truth means कि मैनू सच दसो, and we have changed it with the conjunction what? Tell me, मैनू दसो जो भी सच है. I hope you have understood how to change the simple sentence into the complex sentence. Please revise these exercises.